Have you ever dreamed of exploring one of Africa's most breathtaking wildlife destinations? Welcome to Akagera National Park in Rwanda, a sanctuary for nature lovers, adventurers, and wildlife enthusiasts. With over 1,000 square kilometers of pristine wilderness, let's dive into 10 unforgettable things to do in Akagera, brought to you by Exodus Safaris, your gateway to Africa's most memorable safari adventures. Kick off your journey with a classic safari game drive. Traverse vast savannas, wooded hills, and wetlands in search of the Big Five: lion, leopard, elephant, buffalo, and rhinoceros. Every turn offers a new spectacle, from elegant antelope grazing in the distance to giraffes moving gracefully through the trees. Next, enjoy a boat safari on Lake Ihema. Glide across calm waters as you watch hippos bobbing beside your boat and crocodiles basking on the banks. Keep an eye on the skies for fish eagles and kingfishers, and immerse yourself in the peaceful rhythm of the lake surrounded by papyrus and bird calls. As the sun dips below the horizon, embark on a night safari to discover Akagera after dark. Under the cover of night, the park transforms. Hyenas cackle in the distance, bush babies dart across the trees, and with luck, you might even spot a leopard on the prowl. It's a thrilling experience that reveals the hidden side of the wild. If you're a bird enthusiast, Akagera is a dream come true. Home to over 500 species, the park offers some of the best bird watching in East Africa. From the rare shoebill and African jacana to the brilliantly colored lilac-breasted roller, every sighting is a moment of wonder. For an intimate connection with nature, take a guided walking safari. Leave the vehicle behind and explore the park on foot, as an expert ranger leads you through untouched terrain. Learn to identify tracks, discover the uses of native plants, and feel the heartbeat of the wild with every step. Step into the world of conservation with a behind-the-scenes tour of Akagera's park management. Learn how dedicated rangers protect endangered species, monitor wildlife movements, and respond to poaching threats. It's an eye-opening experience that deepens your appreciation for the effort behind preserving Africa's wild heritage. For a cultural touch, visit the nearby communities that border the park. Engage with local artisans, taste traditional Rwandan dishes, and listen to stories passed down through generations. These experiences offer a deeper understanding of the bond between people and nature, and how both can thrive together. Looking for a truly unique view? Take to the skies on a scenic helicopter ride over Akagera. Witness the dramatic contrast between savanna, forest, and wetland from above. Watch herds of wildlife dotting the landscape and rivers meandering through lush plains. It's an unforgettable perspective of this stunning ecosystem. If you love photography, Akagera is your canvas. With golden light sweeping across the savanna, reflective lakes, and dramatic wildlife encounters, it's a paradise for amateur and professional photographers alike. Whether you're capturing a lion mid-roar or a sunset over Lake Ihema, every shot tells a story. Finally, don't miss the chance to simply unwind at one of Akagera's tranquil lodges. Enjoy a sundowner with panoramic views, savor Rwandan hospitality, and fall asleep to the sounds of the wild just outside your tent. After days of adventure, this is the perfect way to reflect and reconnect. Akagera National Park is more than a destination. It's a journey into the heart of Africa's beauty and resilience. From thrilling safaris to serene lakes, from conservation efforts to cultural encounters, every moment here is unforgettable. Start your adventure today with Exodus Safaris, your guide to the wild soul of Africa.